Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the Crypto Takeover coming back live once again with another video on the cryptocurrency market. So I was given a review coin to do, and we're going to go ahead and go through it together here. I haven't looked at it yet. This is a coin that I have been interested in. It's released a while back. I need to do a little bit more research on to see what they've been doing here lately, but I know they've been kind of out of the news for a while, but that doesn't mean they aren't working on anything. So let's go into Pundi X. Yeah, you got it. We're gonna go over Pundi X today, and I know that this is more of a smaller cap coin. Let's actually take a look on the coin of the market cap real quick, just to see where Pundi X is at. And I think the ticker name for this is actually something different. So NPXS, that's right. So we can look at the ticker name for it. But it is ranked 95 out of several thousand tokens, right? Out of 4,900. And I just saw that up here at the top corner. It says 4,900 cryptocurrencies are listed on CoinMarketCap. So that's quite a few, and to be ranked 95 is pretty good. So Pundi X, everyone, we have it here. Yep, and that is the ticker name NPXS to Tether. So if we take a look, I'm going to turn off a few things just so we can get a better view of what is happening exactly. Let's take off our sniper, and then we can turn this one off too. We'll just leave Cipher A on, and we have our Cipher B down here, right? So let's try the 12-hour real quick just to see what's happening here. 12-hour. Man, okay, so I know this coin's mainly about a POS system being installed in local stores and everything like that. So, it'll be one of those coins that could possibly end up you having a POS system to buy tokens in and out of stores that you go into at your markets or wherever. But hey, really quick, if y'all are interested, I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subs. So I think y'all can see down below that I am almost there at that 500 sub level. But we're going to be doing a giveaway. So go ahead and get signed up for the giveaway. You're going to need to be signed up through CryptoTakeOver.io. That first link down in the description below, and that'll make you eligible to receive the Ledger Nano S when I do that giveaway as well. Also, I am working on a Telegram group. So not Telegram group, a Patreon group. So I do have the Patreon membership available. I'm working on updating it right now as we speak, but this is the Patreon member group, so you can go take a look at that if you'd like. If you'd be interested in it and supporting the channel, that'd be great. Awesome. And let's get back into Pundi X really quick. So yeah, Pundi X, man, been on a pretty straight downtrend here. This is actually on Binance, so I was not 100% sure when this coin got listed on Binance, but it does seem to have tanked over the past years since it's been listed, and that's to the Tether pairing. So let's take a look at the daily here just to see what's going on. It does look like we are making some bullish divergences here, kind of wanting to transcend up a little bit, although it does look like we did have another big green dot down here as well, but it looks like we have formed a little bit of a trigger wave as well on our one-day chart. So we might see some moves to the upside. It could be a while though. Crypto market right now it's kind of in it's a little rut area right now. We're kind of just waiting to see what could be happening with it, within the next couple of weeks or months probably. Let's turn on our buy, well, sell indicator, see if we have anything here. Doesn't look like anything's popping up there, not enough data. Okay, and then if we go into our 3-day, with Tether, it does look like we found somewhat of a bottom support here, but we still don't have enough data. Actually, let me look and see if we can find the BTC pairing. If we go to Pundi X and BTC on our 3-day, so we have a little bit more data here, and this is in Bittrex. So this data goes all the way back to 2018 of October, so about 2 years ago. And you can still see that we are still in a steady slope of a downtrend almost too. It does look like we want to make our first kind of wave move to the upside here on the 3-day. Let's take a look at our 1-day, see what's happening here. Lots of downtrend, lots of push downs, you know, red X's, blood diamonds, all this and that. So let's see if our whale sell indicator has anything on. Maybe our 1-day. Buy, sell, buy. Okay, so not a lot of data to give us there right now. Let's see what our 2-day, if it has anything. Yeah, not too much data there. Let's take a look at our 4-day here, see what's happening. Money flow still pretty heavily in the red for the most part. I think that this coin, from what I know about it here, let's take a look at their website really quick as well to see what they might have going on. I do follow, I think, some of their social media and other things just to stay up to date with it. It's been around for a while, this token has, but as you can see, it's kind of like a pay anywhere kind of POS system, and I believe that you can even go in stores and purchase like Ethereum or Bitcoin using like your debit card or credit card if you were to swipe on this POS system, and then you for some reason just thought that you wanted to buy Bitcoin right then and there as you're checking out in your Starbucks or something like that. So yeah, oh, the Pundi X open platform. I'm not 100% sure what this is exactly. It's a payment ecosystem, the XPOS. So yeah, this is what they're trying to roll out, right? And I think that they did have it in some stores like in Europe or something like that where they were testing it. But other than that, I haven't really heard too much about it in the US or any other places it being tested out at. But it does kind of look like it's forming a little bit of a bottom. It's still kind of hard to tell. But based on our Cipher B pattern, it does look like we've had some rounding bottom here, which is a good sign. If we take a look at our 3-day, some big green dots there as well. 4-day we had a big green dot with maybe some bullish divergences that are still maybe going to play out later. But yeah, other than that, there hasn't been a lot of news on this token in a while, and I think obviously it's still around, right? It's still on some of the exchanges. Let's kind of take a look at what some of this volume is that's being that's on some of these exchanges right now. It's on, so Binance 57,000, 53,000. I mean, that's decent sized volume. For sure, like 100K is probably like a lot better on Hotbit and LA token. So yeah, I mean, I really don't. I would say that this will, if anything, this would probably be a long-term hold, being that it's kind of lasted right now for a while. It'll probably still be around, but I think that they're gonna have to. It's gonna be a while for them to really push anything else out and wait for us to hear back on some news. And while we're in this bear market right now, I think a lot of these projects are really just having to figure out exactly what they need to do to last in this cryptocurrency sphere. And as of right now, I haven't really heard too much about it, but I like to have projects where I'm constantly being updated, or like to be invested in projects that are constantly being updated and that I can receive proper news on too. If y'all are interested, I do have a Telegram group. I'm updating the Telegram group with different things of Cipher and Cipher B, giving y'all updates with time frames that are being requested on the channel. So if you're interested, usually I can't edit one of the live streams right then and there, but I can probably drop a few of the time frames that are being asked for inside of the Telegram group as well. The Discord group is being worked on right now. I'll let y'all know when I'm finished with it and everything. But if y'all want to support the channel as well, I do have my TradingView affiliate link down in the description below. That'll help if you are interested in learning a little bit more about how markets and technical analysis work. You can get signed up with that link down there. And then I'm actually using my my girlfriend's TradingView account, so all the benefits will go to her. This is my account, but I do use my girlfriend's account because that's how we bought Market Cipher together. So she's supporting me, and she has the pro version for us there, so that's pretty nice. And the Patreon group is available, but I'm still working on getting everything set up to where y'all can have access, admin access to the Discord group and be able to control a few more things. And also that I will be posting more charts that are requested, probably some one-on-one investment discussion with whoever, but you know, it's all just for entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice, right? Excellent. So yeah, but we can talk and we can chat about crypto or whatever. If you're looking for a group to join, definitely would recommend becoming a team member of the Patreon group. And also, I am doing the giveaway at 500 subs, but if y'all want to go ahead and get y'all's Ledger Nano X or S now, y'all can do that by just getting signed up in the description link down below. And you can go ahead and have your cold storage available right then and there to you. So I do want to review a coin called Zilliqa, and this is actually a project that is built on top of the Zilliqa platform. It is called Unstoppable Domains, and you can basically have a web address, a .zil web address, to have as a all-in-one crypto wallet store, address store. So yeah, I think it has everything from Bcash to LTC to BTC to Zilliqa, EOS, I believe. So all those wallets are basically in one in one URL link, so a .zil URL, and you can go find whatever URL you're interested in. So use that link down below. You can discover a little bit more about what Unstoppable Domains is, and I'll be doing a review on the platform that it is running off of and the blockchain platform that it is running off of, which is Zilliqa. So we'll get into that later on. But yeah, Pundi X, y'all. So like I said, it's probably going to be one of those that stays around, but it's still just trying to figure out exactly what it needs to do to make itself known inside of the crypto sphere. So it's probably working on a bunch of different things as we speak. The marketing presence isn't quite there yet with this project, but I do believe that it could grow to become something greater later, possibly. So we'll keep an eye on it together, and we can come back and talk about it a little bit more as well. And let's just get on to a few more links. If y'all are interested in the leverage trading Bybit exchange app, y'all can check that out. So it is not recommended that y'all get into leverage trading, but if y'all do want to, y'all can use my link down in the description below. And what I want you to do first, before you even decide to deposit any of your crypto on this exchange, is to use that testnet. So you can get signed up with the link down in the description. Come down here and ask support, how do I access your testnet? And they'll step you through it. It's like literally 2 steps, and then you can just deposit fake BTC to start learning how to trade these Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets, because it is pretty crazy and it can get pretty emotional. So you just want to make sure that you have your algorithm down and that you're using the testnet before you even decide to deposit your BTC on there. I'm literally one of the only people that's coming out and telling people to use the testnet first before they even decide to trade. It's just funny how like a lot of the influencers out there they don't even mention testnet or anything. They're just like, hey, sign up, deposit $60 and you get $100 free or something like that. And it's like, you know, I get where they're coming from. Like, I understand that they get a little bit of an affiliate link benefit to it, but at the same time, they need to tell people, if y'all don't know how to trade, don't try just jumping in there and using your own, like, learn or use the fake BTC first on the testnet, and that'll help you get started. Also, I have my CryptoTakeOver Twitter account. You can follow me on there. You can message me if you want, if you have any questions or whatever. Also the Instagram page. And yeah, with that being said, I'm glad that y'all came back to support the channel. Also, I do have the Brave browser affiliate link, which I will be doing a review on the BAT token, which is an easy way for you to earn BAT token by browsing the web. And basically it's a super lightweight browser, and you can use that to browse the web, but also get paid in BAT token. And then I have the CryptoTab browser, which is an easy way for you to mine Bitcoin straight from your PC. So I'll just open it up really quick so you can see that I was mining with it earlier on a few different computers. But you basically just start the browser up, and it'll start mining BTC. So it's an easy way to earn passive income. If you're interested in that, y'all can get signed up using that link down in the description below. So yeah, go ahead, comment, tell me what your favorite coin is. What do you think about Pundi X? What's your favorite altcoin? Just go ahead and shill it right now. Your chance to shill your favorite altcoin in the comment section below, and I'll add it to a list to review later, and so that way we can go over the market together using Market Cipher. If it's a newer coin or a coin that doesn't have a lot of data, it's going to give something like this. I won't be able to do too much with it, but as you can see, we are kind of starting to make a curved bottom here, which is you know, it's a good sign that we probably won't see much lower prices. There'll probably be a few wicks down, but this kind of does look like a very bottoming area for some of these altcoins when they start to round the bottom here, right? So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this one together, and I just want to make sure that y'all are having a great day. Yeah, go ahead, get signed up for that newsletter, and I'll make sure y'all are enlisted in the Ledger Nano S giveaway. So I hope y'all are having a great day. Share this video with whoever. Let them know that I'm doing Market Cipher altcoin reviews, and that I'm doing live streams of Bitcoin every single day and every night. So it's pretty much like a party on my channel. Some people call it the Bitcoin After Hours channel, because it's just like the music and everything, and Bitcoin doesn't sleep, so we kind of have to be on top of our A game when it comes to these markets. So yeah, with that being said, y'all, I hope y'all have a good evening. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all can be updated, and I will speak with y'all later. See ya.